Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Razak at CMTrading. Today is July 10th, 2017, and today is Monday morning. So looking at the economic number today, not much on the highlight today, so we'll just jump straight to the charts and see what's going on. Okay, so we're going to circumvent our daily routine of the economic events of the day because there are no economic events of the day, and we're looking here at the Euro USD. A nice sell-off from last week, 14.36, and we're just below that, 14.04, about 30 pips below it. So we hit the NFP number last Friday. There was a little bit of a sell-off and then a correctional move, as you can see here, and we're right still in the middle. So I wouldn't say this is a sell right away. Okay, I'd like to see how this develops throughout the week. We're just about at the 14-day average, so we're way above the 30-day average, which is beautiful because we've come a long way here in the Euro USD. So I'd like to see this develop before make a recommendation. There are other things that we could look at today. GBP USD as well, jumping off this 128.82 level. Let's look at the 4-hour chart. It's a little bit better. There you go. You see it right there. And we had this nice rally, but we sold off a little bit more sharply than the Euro USD. So Euro USD holding against the dollar a little bit stronger than the GBP USD, which means that the Euro USD is stronger. Either it's going to be lagging or it's stronger. And in this case, I believe it's stronger and it's holding its weight. Looking here at the USD Japanese yen, also at pivotal levels, 114.216. The yen getting much weaker versus the dollar, as you can see here. So it's a little bit of a rift amongst the currencies versus the dollar. Not everything is trading in unison. Dollar getting stronger in certain currencies, but yet not getting stronger in others. So Euro USD is still holding itself, and I believe it's pretty strong versus some of the other currencies versus the dollar. Now the big move today is gold. Gold's already sold off about 4 points since this morning, as you can see here, 12.13, and we're at 12.07 right now, and it looks like it wants to get it further down to 1200. Okay, that's my next support level here in gold. Just let's look at a 4-hour chart. A beautiful sell-off. It's 100 points right here, guys. So this is a major retracement for gold over the past year, over the past month actually, and we may see ourselves coming back to this 1200, maybe below 1200-ish level, maybe 1192. Now this is going on the back of the fact that the Dow Jones and the equity markets are very strong. This is a picture of the equity markets. We sold off last week to 21,257, and this is what I mentioned. We got to the bottom of the range, and they took it to the bottom of the range. Guess what? In order to rally it, okay, the NFP number came out, and boom, we just took off. So, the economy is very strong in the United States. So things are still looking up. Now, the most important month of the year, I believe, is going to be next month, which is going to tell us the direction of which the markets will be taking, because once we get into after the summer, we kind of see where production is going for the balance of the year, right? We're just at the half point of the year, and we see where we're holding towards until December, and that's a major pivotal moment because manufacturing has to be making the shipments for Thanksgiving and Christmas time. So this is really an important part of the year that we're getting into. This is really what's going to make it and break it for the rest of the year. So my go-to is to see how strong the market's going to be. I'd like to see us break out higher before the end of the year, before the end of the summer, excuse me. And if we don't break out higher, I think we could have a correctional move. Now, does it mean we're going back to 18,000? Not necessarily, but we may have a correctional move like this. So keep this on the radar and a thought. This is Razak at CMTrading. I want to wish you guys a great trading day. Thank you.